How to cancel your FuboTV subscription. So here's how it works. You want to go to Fubo.tv and log in using a web browser, not the app. You will then go to settings. You want to click your profile icon, then select my account and open the subscriptions and billing section. To cancel your subscription, you want to scroll down and click cancel subscription. Fubo may try to offer a discount, suggest pausing instead, or ask why you're leaving. You click continue to cancel and confirm. Check your email. You will receive a confirmation email. You want to keep it in case you're billed later. If you're using Apple or Roku, here's how you can cancel it. For Apple, iPhone or iPad, you will open up your settings, tap your Apple ID and then select subscriptions. You will just find FuboTV and tap cancel subscription. On Roku, you will press the home button on the remote, highlight FuboTV, press the asterisk button and then select manage subscription and cancel. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.